Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the coolest gadgets and innovations. Today we have something truly out of this world to discuss. We are talking about none other than Elon Musk's very own mobile phone. Yes, you heard it right. There are rumors that Tesla is making a phone called Tesla Pi. Tesla mobile phones are probably connected to a Starlink satellite directly, and you pay an unlimited monthly subscription. Even these mobile phones on Mars can be connected to satellite internet. Elon Musk phone includes an interplanetary communication system, allowing its users to connect not only with each other but with potential colonies on Mars. Imagine chatting with astronauts or even Elon himself while they explore the red planet. It's a giant leap for mobile communication. Maybe they can revolutionize the mobile phone industry and reduce our need for charging less and less. Brace yourselves for futuristic integration. The phone seamlessly integrates with Elon's Neuralink technology. Neuralink is a chip that is placed inside the brain, allowing for direct interaction and control through neural signals. Imagine sending texts or making calls with just your thoughts. It's like having telepathic abilities in the palm of your hand. Mind-blowing, isn't it? If Tesla phones can connect to the Neuralink and Neuralink project has made a lot of progress, we can probably control the Tesla phone with our brain, and this is fantastic. What do you think about these incredible features? Would you like to get your hands on Elon's phone of the future? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to join our tech-loving community. Thanks for watching this video.